Once upon a time, in a cozy meadow, there lived a little bunny named Benny. Benny loved carrots more than anything in the world. Every day he would hop around the meadow, looking for the juiciest, crunchiest carrots to nibble on. But there was one problem. Benny's favorite carrots grew in a far corner of the meadow, and it was a long hop away. One sunny morning, Benny decided to set off on a special mission to gather as many carrots as he could and fill his burrow with delicious treats for the winter. As he hopped along, he passed by other animals like the wise old owl, the busy squirrel, and the sleepy deer. But he didn't stop to chat. Benny was focused on his task. When Benny finally reached the carrot patch, he was amazed by how many carrots were there. He picked one, then another, and another, until his tiny paws were full. But just as Benny was about to head back, he heard a soft voice. Benny, are you taking all the carrots? Asked a gentle rabbit named Ruby, who lived nearby. Benny felt a little guilty. I love carrots so much. I thought I would take them all for myself. Ruby smiled kindly. But if we take all the carrots, there won't be any carrots left for others. Why don't we share? Benny paused, thinking about how much better it would be if everyone could enjoy the carrots. So, Benny and Ruby worked together, sharing the carrots with all their friends in the meadow. The owl got some of her wisdom, the squirrel got a few for his busy winter stash, and even the deer enjoyed a sweet bite. Benny learned that sharing not only made everyone happy, but also made him feel even better than just having the carrots all to himself. From that day on, Benny always remembered to share, and he found that the best moments were the ones spent with the friends. Hope you enjoyed this drawing come storytelling, my dear kiddos. If you love this, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you with another story and drawing. Bye bye.